Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. There's not much we can do, as you can see. It's getting very blustery. We was expecting rain yesterday, but it looks like it's going to come today. So I'm just going to still give everything a quick water, because you know when it rains the water doesn't soak down that much. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm just checking if there was anything that I needed to pick, and I come down and I found a few heads of corn. And what I'm doing, I'm just stripping off the layers, because you know sometimes you get corn and you take them home and there's like earwigs or peel bugs in them, but these ones seems to be fine. So just showing you, the got some nice heads of corn this year. We've still got quite a few to go, but they're not ready yet. You wait till when this top is brown like that, or you can wait till when it's, some people wait till when it's darker. I like it when it's firm and crispy when you do it. When you leave it too long, then they get rubbery. So that's my heads of corn. So the next task, all I can do, I see everything starting to shrivel up now. Don't know if I'm going to get any more French beans, but the amount of French beans what I got this year was really a lot. I've still got a freezer, bags of them. Them and my lima beans are just starting to come now. See some look like runner bean, but they're lima beans. You've got to wait till when they're big and you see the beans inside. So got some down there as well, some long ones, but there's little beans in them, but you wait till when they get bigger and they swell, and you can actually see the beans resting on the pod. That's how you know when to pick lima beans. But you can see it's got a lot of flowers, but not a lot is coming at the moment. Right, still got my courgette plant producing. See, it's starting to flower again. It's a male and female one there, so that the bees, I'll let the bees do that, because I've still got some courgettes at home. I only planted 2 plants this year. See, I've got some cucumbers coming again. I just tied up my coyote. You can see it's just running now. Don't know if it'll produce anything or if it's just going to run. I can feel the rain coming now, so I've got to work a bit quicker. It's only going to be a short video, not too long. My tomatoes there, I trimmed them up, and you see they're bushed up again, so I've got to do that again. I planted some broccolis in here. They're still holding on, some of them, and then rainbow chard is starting to come up now. And then you see my kale. The kale is starting to look nice as well, but I think I've only planted not a lot of kale, so don't really. And then these are the Romanesco cauliflowers, which are just growing, and I don't know what they're meant to be doing, because I think they should have had at least something on them by now. You can see how big they're getting, and I don't want to take the cover off and get any caterpillars or anything on them or anything, so leaving that. Right, you can see everything in my polytunnel. You can see mostly it's the sweet potatoes what's taken over everything. My lettuces, I started harvesting those now, so that'll go down pretty quickly. My melons at the back and there, I'm gonna be sorting that out, don't know if I'm gonna grow that again because it's not very productive for me. And I've got my peppers and everything on the sides. I want to order another couple of shelves to put in between there so I can put more plant pots on the side. And then I'll have to try and get out. Every time I say that, don't I, these strawberry baskets, I keep saying I'm going to put them out, but they're still in there at the moment, so what I want to do is get some more strawberries and put in there first and then put them outside. They should be alright then. But we just have to do what we can. I come down here, my lily plants have done their time. This one is just growing, it hasn't flowered yet, so I don't know if it'll flower because it's I broke it off of the other one, so I don't know if that'll flower. And then these are my gladioles, what I put it in there. I had to get the grass out, but it comes up in big lumps, so that's a bit hard. Right, coming along. I'm just doing this quick because the rain is starting I can feel the rain drips. My cabbages, I'm going to start getting those out. My broccoli's gone to seed. There's a few little heads around. It's a nice head here of broccoli. Might get that one out. Yeah. And then once I get this out, get this bed dug over and manured, ready to put new ones in. Going to be putting about a 12-inch layer of manure on here, but when it comes round, and then when the other beds are finished, we'll just dig over the bit what's not manured and get the manure on. And then this bed now is going down slowly. Well, it's gone, so that bit what you see on the plastic, that's how I want to bring the compost right up to the top. I was looking to order some bulk compost and now I can't find any. Well, I can find some, but that's where they don't think they're going to deliver all the way up here. And then you can see my pumpkins, my pumpkin and my squashes. You can see they're doing okay. I just I know I had a white baby boo in there. I'm keeping an eye on it because I can see it. I'm just making sure, checking the stems when I come down. I know this orange one over there is almost ready to harvest. This you see there's all little ones starting to come up now. They're all starting to come up, so hopefully we'll get some. There's a nice big one here. which is a Jamaica globe. You can see that one's doing pretty well. And then there's a few in there, but you just have to wait. I haven't got none of the powdery mildew on the leaves yet, but that's something what I'm keeping an eye on. I do water them from the top and then let the water go down, but I haven't seen any signs of that yet, but I know it's something to watch out for. Got a nice globe there coming up there. So there's a few around, you can see them. A bottleneck one there. Don't know if that's fertilised. There's a lot of male plants around, so you know the wasps will just do their job. Well, you know you always get more male flowers than female ones, so you just have to leave it and let the wasps and bees do what they're doing. So if you like our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. There's not a lot I can show you today because, or there's not a lot for us to do now because we're almost coming up to the season. It's just getting compost to put on these beds, having a quick tidy up. I've got to get into here. If my cameraman can come round here, you can see how these plants, see a nice Jamaica globe sitting on top there. Well, it's up there, so it should be all right. Once it gets heavy, then it'll find it might drop down a bit, but I'll just leave it. I'm not going to go and disturb it. And then you can see the plant coming up here. Yeah. We've got to get into that area now, but you can see the problem is all these nettles and everything. But there was compost piles when we came, so, and then this is our one what we started, so got to sort everything out and tidy up this area as best as I can, and then we're good to go for the next season. I'll trim and everything. So mainly now we've just reached a point where it's just tidying up and watering. It's just that area mainly, and I've got a little bit up there to tidy up and trim. The beds are almost ready for winter, so we're almost good to go. So thanks for watching. I know it's short, there's not much I can show you. I'm sure you don't want to see me watering and everything like that. So that's how it goes. You just have to do what you can. I'm going to start taking these out as well. But the first thing I need to do is trim, and then I can get rid of all these at the same time. So thanks for watching. If you want to leave any comment, leave them in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. We might be a bit slow sometimes, but I've got other things to do. I'm still doing tests and everything, so that's when you see us slow, that's what's going on. They still haven't found out what's wrong with me. What they're trying to say is wrong with me, I'm just laughing at them at the moment because I know it's nothing of the sort. And when you go to the hospital and they've got all these little young doctors, you've got to be careful of the diagnosis, what they give you as well. So that's what I'm watching. I'm waiting for the blood people to come back to me, and then I'll can sort myself out, get back to 100%, and then I can get everything looking nice how I want it. But at the moment I just got to take my time, still getting out of breath and everything like that. So that's how it goes. So Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.